Hi, welcome back to our course that is Intellectual Property Rights. This is Professor Kambraya Sir. Today we are going to learn about what is trade secret. So basically, when we are discussing all these forms of IPR, we have gone through 4 to 5 different types. In the previous lecture, we have gone through trademark, okay, in which again a common word is there, that is trade. Okay, so this is also trade secret which is related to the trade. Okay, and secret, as we know, something is there which cannot be disclosed, which cannot be given any info regarding these particular things, that can be called as secrets. Okay, so in this lecture we'll discuss about what is meant by trade secret, what is the definition, what are the different examples, and their advantages and disadvantages. So before starting of the lecture, we'll be having an example which is in our daily schedule, in our daily routine, it's there. Okay, we know some place, some hotels, or some particular places which are famous for their products. Okay, in which it may be having some vegetarian products, it may be having some non-veg products, but some specialty is there, and because of that specialty, that product is get famous among the people. Then whenever we think about how they are preparing these particular products, what are the ingredients they are using, what will be the amount of that ingredients, and what is the procedure, these are the important things. Okay, so when we'll ask them regarding such products to the owner, then they will not say much about the explanation of our products, their products. Okay, why it is? Because if they explain us about their product, about their making, then what will happen? Anybody else is able to prepare such food, such products, and he will also have an some income from that products. And more importantly, this another product or this other producer will be the competitor of that business, of that hotel or that place. So in these particular cases, the owners or producers or companies will not disclose their information in anyhow. Okay, and whenever such institutions, hotels, businessmen are not willing to give the information at that time, they will have to use another form of intellectual properties, that is trade secret. Okay, means what? They will not disclose any information regarding their production, regarding their ingredients, regarding their procedures, and so that that will be a secret for their competitors, and because of that their business will have some benefits of the product, and there will be no competitor in such cases, in such products. Okay, so this is the importance of our trade secret, or this is how what trade secret is there. As we discussed in the patent, whenever we are looking for the patent, we need to fill in different forms, then we need to disclose the information regarding our invention, and then only we are able to get granted our patent for the product or technology which we have newly developed. And there we will get protection for the patent for a certain time. After the time over of the protection, everybody is able to use that invention without paying any extra money to the producer, to the inventor. In case of trade secret, this particular trade secret will be protected for throughout the life, is one of the important of trade secret. So let's start with the first slide. Trade secret means what? When the individual, organization, or organization owning an intellectual property does not disclose the property to anyone and keeps it as closely guarded secret to promote his business interests, it is called as trade secret. Okay, so any information related to one's business and he is not willing to disclose his info, in that cases it can be called as a trade secret. That is, some information is there which is related to the that particular trade, but when disclosing the information that is harmful to the business, that's why they are not willing to disclose, and then that case, this particular is called as a trade secret. A trade secret is a formula, practice, process, design, instrument, pattern, or compilation of information which is not generally known as a reasonably ascertainable, by which a business can obtain an economic advantage over competitors or customers. Okay, so as we know, nowadays there is a much competition in all type of businesses, whichever it may be. Okay, whatever your business is there, but competition is always there. Okay, and to overcome these competition issues, we need to have this trade secret. Okay, so whenever we are having trade secret, at that time we are able to protect our business by copying some other else. Okay, so here you will be having a particular practice, process, or instruments which are used for particular thing, which is not, they are not able to disclose. Next important point, it may be confidential business information that provides an enterprise a competitive edge. Okay, so whatever information is there, okay, for example, and company is there like Coca-Cola, we will discuss that in detail in next slides. So here Coca-Cola is having a unique formulation for the production of that soft drink beverage, okay, and which is very famous. And year after year, the taste and quality of that product is same. Even nobody else is able to product form and same thing like Coca-Cola. Okay, so in this case, it is an formulation, or it is an example of chemical formulation. Like this, number of different things are there, some practices are there, some processes are there, some designs are there, and they are having a particular valuation for their trade. Okay, and that's why they are able to overcome their competitors, and they will having some benefits. Trade secret includes sales method, distribution method, consumer profiles, and advertising strategies, list of suppliers and clients, and manufacturing processes. Okay, so one more example we'll discuss here, that is Just Dial. Okay, so everybody almost know about Just Dial. Okay, Just Dial is nothing but the information based company who provides us and telephone numbers, or hotels related information, or any tourist places, just we need to call them. Okay, so here this particular information is nothing but their raw material or an important thing which is related to their trade. Okay, if they will disclose all the information of telephone numbers, tourist places information to anybody else, then there will be a competitor and their business will suffer. Okay, so in these cases they need to keep their information very secretly, then only they will able to make the money. Okay, or their business will be safe. So here also trade secret is playing an important role. Then a trade secret can be protected for a unlimited period of time, but a substantial element of secrecy must exist so that except by the use of improper means, there would be difficulty in acquiring the information. Okay, so basically the protection for this trade secret is throughout the life, or we are able to protect it for very long period. And important thing is that there will should be having some secrecy. Okay, so it is nothing but a form of protection so that we are able to protect our information from any improper uses. Moving on to the next slide. Trade secret in the different fields of, okay, as we discussed, a number of food recipes are there. Different hotels are having different products which nobody else is able to form or produce like them. Then chemical formulas, for example, Coca-Cola, manufacturing processes are there. Okay, in the manufacturing processes, for example, take an examples of biscuits. Okay, any biscuits or cookies, in which they are having their particular ratio of raw material mix up. Okay, then they will be having a particular temperature at which they need to keep the material in raw material. Then again they will be having some chemicals to be mixed or food ingredients to be mixed in that particular cookies or biscuits, and then only they will get taste. All these ratios and chemicals to be mixed are nothing but the important information for that trade, which should be protected. If that info is got disclosed, got leaked by some employee, in that cases company has to suffer, as competitor will form same product like the previous one. Then technology is there, product designs are there, customer contact list and marketing strategies are also formed, through which we are able to protect under the trade secret. Now here again Coca-Cola is there as an example of trade secret, and one more is there, that is KFC. Okay, here also it is given that KFC secret recipes, KFC style chicken recipes, salads and desserts. Okay, now if we'll think about this KFC chicken, as we know they are using the same quality of chicken which is available in market. They are using some uh, yeah, different ingredients which not used by somebody else, or they may using the common ingredients, but they are having their own style, they are having their own process. Okay, that's why the taste is there, and they will never disclose this information to anybody else. Otherwise there will be competition, and their whatever trade is there, their hotels are there, their business will get reduced because of the competitor. Okay, so like this number of examples with respect to food recipes are there which can be explained under this trade secret, and this is one of the important example which we are able to understand, that is they are having their own secret recipes, and that's why their quality is there, that's why their product is famous among the people, and that's why the value of the KFC. Okay, so this is all can be related to the trade secret, and that's why the trade secret is very important thing with respect to the business. Okay, in detail we'll discuss about Coca-Cola, so that we'll come to know that it is one of the important intellectual property with respect to protection of particular business. Okay, Coca-Cola made a choice to brand the recipe a trade secret instead of patenting it. which would have lead to the disclosure of the ingredients. Okay, so Coca-Cola has not applied for the patent, because if they will apply for, they have applied for the patent, in that case they will have to disclose all the information related to the Coca-Cola product, and very easily other in competitor also able to know that whatever ingredients are there, what is the process followed, and they will form the product. That's why instead of going for the patent, they have gone through the uh, they have applied through trade secret, so that no information is need to disclose. Since one of those ingredients may have been cocaine, Coca-Cola decided to keep the recipe as a confidential information, and that's why they have selected the trade secret. If they have gone through the patent, in that cases, as we discussed in the patent, whenever we are applying for the patent, we need to provide all the information regarding our new product, new invention, new research. Okay, so here Coca-Cola has gone through the trade secret instead of patent. Next important point is that about Coca-Cola, when we are discussing, so many rumors are there, out of which one is there, that is uh, it contains bugs or insects. Another is that two employees each known only half the recipe, or that only two people known the combination to the safe where it is stored. Okay, so in case of Coca-Cola, some rumors are there, that is only two people knows the actual process, actual formula. Okay, and even that two peoples are not know completely. One is there which know half of the information, and another one is there that is half of the information, so that even they are not able to use the recipe. Okay, so this is how this particular trade secret is protected by means of the number of ways. Then in 2006, employee and two accomplices stole the formula and tried to sell it to Pepsi. The employees and friends were arrested. Okay, so why this example we are discussing? Because we are able to understand the value of that formula, value of that process is there for the business. Okay, so one of the employee and their two friends who are told the information of this formula, and they were willing to sell it to Pepsi. Pepsi is the one of the competitor of Coca-Cola, as we know. At that time, the employee and friends were arrested in 2006. This is one of the real thing happened with respect to this Coca-Cola company. And from these particular events, we are able to understand that what is the valuation of that formula is there with respect to the Coca-Cola. Then some advantages and disadvantages of the trade secret are there, in which advantages, first one is they are for unlimited duration. Okay, so this is one of the important advantage with respect to other intellectual properties, that is it is unlimited duration. Many copyright is there, patent is there, but they are having certain period for the protection, but here it can be protected for the unlimited duration. Then next point is there, it is not necessary to satisfy the rather stringent requirements for protection under patent. Okay, stringent requirements are nothing but an proper requirements or strict requirements which are there in the patent. Okay, as compared to the patent in trade secrets, it's very simple process to protect their secrets. Then the cost of the filing, contesting and enforcing patent is saved. Okay, in case of patent, very long process is there, filling of application form, contesting, enforcing the patent, all this can be avoided with the use of trade secret. Next, the risk of the someone improving upon the product process is minimized. Okay, in case of patent, whenever any new research is there, at that time somebody else or other scientists are able to use the present information and they are able to improve in that particular research, and again they will have patent for that. Okay, so in trade secret, as we are not explosive, as we are not disclosing any information, that's why this particular information will not be leaked, so that no improvement or nothing. Then some disadvantages of trade secret are also there, in which first of all, minimizing a trade secret itself is a costly affair. Okay, now here in the Coca-Cola example, we have gone through what we have gone through. They need to protect their trade secret in such a way that some people, some persons which are involved in this formation of product, we will have to keep them securely, so that even many other requirements need to complete, then only we are able to maintain our information secretly. Okay, so this is almost very costly process. Second, it offers no protection from independent innovation. Okay, independent innovation means what? Here we are having Coca-Cola and their inventors, their competitors have produced the Pepsi, Thumbs Up. Okay, so nobody is able to stop them from their independent innovation, and they are able to form the product, produce the product which are almost similar to the Coca-Cola. Okay, not 100%, but somehow similar to the Coca-Cola, so that we are not able to stop them from the independent innovation. Then non-disclosure of the invention does not give others a chance to improve upon the original invention. This protects or delays progress in the area of trade secret. Okay, so whenever new innovation is there, new research is there, there are some space to improve the product. Okay, and this particular space is just closed by the trade secret, as we are not giving the information of the product to anybody else, so that nobody is able to improve in that product. They will have to go for the independent innovation only. And last point is there of disadvantage, that is it cannot be applied to many inventions, for example equipment design, plant varieties, books. Okay, how we are not able to apply to this particular? Because if any new equipment is there, that will be, whenever that can be used by the any person, and somebody else just saw the equipment, he is able to make the design, same design. Okay, not same, but 90-95% same. Then plant varieties. Okay, plant varieties whenever released, they will have to go through the farmers. Okay, so that there is a no secret things which cannot be hidden, or which cannot be hid by the producer. Then another is books. Okay, whenever new books are published by the company or author, their copies will be got distributed in the people, so that there will also not be anything to hide. So all these are the some disadvantages of the trade secrets. Okay, so this is all about the trade secrets, which is the form of intellectual property rights. And through trade secrets, we are able to protect our valuable information which is related to our trades, which are related to our products. Okay, so we will stop here for today. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.